Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Panjangam for 26th June 2024. Animasam 12th. Wednesday. Krodhinama Samvalsaram Uttarayanam Grishma Rudho Animasam, that is Midhuna Masam, Krishna Paksham up to 11:10 p.m. Panjami, then Shashti. Saumya Vasaram, that is Wednesday, and Nakshatram from 3:30 p.m. Avitam, then Chadayam. Rahu Kalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Gulika Kalam 10:30 a.m. to 12 noon. Today's good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Chandrashtamam for Kadagam.